In the Shire, they say breakfast is important, but second breakfast, that's sacred. And today, we're cooking one straight from the garden, permaculture style.
I'm Gazza the Green, and this is my little corner of the Shire where permaculture meets second breakfast.
Fresh eggs from the hens, asparagus from the patch, and tomatoes that taste like spring. No supermarket spells, just real food grown right here.
One garden to grow them all in every corner here.
It's a fine morning in the Shire, and breakfast begins here, among the green things that feed us.
Let's see what the garden has for second breakfast today.
First up, a few ripe tomatoes, warm from the morning sun. These ones never see a fridge, and that's why they taste like spring. Then, asparagus, a real spring delight. The trick is to harvest while they're still tender, about the height of a Hobbit's beer mug. A touch of garlic brings any breakfast to life, and this one's been growing quietly for about 6 months. And of course, the ladies have been busy. You can't get fresher than that. They're all clucky at the moment, so they're hoarding their eggs like dragons. Everything we need right here in the garden. This is what permaculture's all about. Designing for breakfast.
Now, let's take these to the kitchen. It's time to turn the Shire harvest into second breakfast.
Now, not every Hobbit has a cob oven or a rocket stove yet, but even a simple kitchen can work a little magic.
We'll keep it simple. Fried eggs, sautéed tomatoes, a few asparagus spears with garlic. A real second breakfast fare.
A few simple things, but when they come from your patch, they're more precious than any gold in Erebor. A touch of oil, a bit of garlic, and then I add the tomatoes. And don't forget the salt. Cook until they start to sing. The goal isn't to cook them to death, just to wake up their sweetness. Remove the tomatoes and add a few spears of asparagus. That's all it takes. Once the asparagus is slightly charred, you're right to go. And of course, no second breakfast is complete without a fried egg or two, straight from the hens who work harder than any gardener I know. There's a kind of magic in a meal like this, fresh, colourful, and full of the story of your garden. Now that's proper Hobbit fare. Simple food, grown with love, and eaten with gratitude. Even Winston waited patiently for a little bit of egg. And politely wanted more. It's a simple thing, a meal from your own garden, yet it connects you to everything that matters. The soil, the seasons, the creatures who help along the way, and the quiet joy of knowing you grew this. From earth to table, every step tells a story of care, patience, and a touch of Hobbit curiosity.
Permaculture isn't just about growing food, it's about growing connection to your land, to your friends and neighbours, and to the rhythms that make life rich. And if it happens to come with second breakfast, all the better. If you've enjoyed this little second breakfast, like it, share it with a fellow Hobbit, and subscribe for more garden magic from the Green Shire. Until next time, may your soil stay rich and your teacups never empty.